Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram photos can't be posted or Instagram videos can't be posted. For example, if you upload a photo on Instagram and after some time you see that there is shown that Instagram photos can't be posted then or video can't be posted, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram app. After that, what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold and the Instagram app, and you have to simply go to app info. You can do the same by simply going into the settings of your Instagram app. After that, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop app, and after that the next thing you have to check is you have to simply click on the storage and clear the cache. After doing the things, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to permissions of your app, and you have to check whether you have provided internet connection to the app, and you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply search for Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Instagram app, and you have to see whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Instagram app, and after updating, this error will be fixed, because this error will be due to bugs in the Instagram app, and it can only be fixed by the latest version of the Instagram. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for the next update so that you can solve that problem as soon as possible. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?